How to paper trade on WeBull beginners tutorial. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm giving you a tutorial on WeBull and how we can use paper trading on a WeBull app. So let's get started. First, what you have to do is you will download the application on your mobile phone. You can just download it on your Apple phone or your Android phone. So once you have WeBull application, you're just going to open it up and this is where you will get. WeBull is an amazing platform, world's leading platform with a lot of different stocks available, ETFs, paper trading, everything, and it gives you all the right features and tools. So once you open up Webull, this is where you will get, this is my watch list that I have here. So at the bottom of the screen, you will be able to see the watch list, markets, news, and menu. So this is watch list and I can add different stocks into it, different ETFs, whatever I want to make favorite. So it's really easy to do that, and you can just open it up to get more and more information into it. So first you just have to select the one that you want to go for, and you can get more information into your stocks and how to actually use Webull. So you are here. Now we want to actually check out the paper trading option on Webull app. In order to access that, you just have to go to your menu and it will open up the menu for you. And you will find these shortcuts right here. We have Help Center, Settings, My Alert, and fourth option is Paper Trade. So that's our option right there. I'm gonna open it up and this is paper trading. So that's what we will check out today and see that how we can do paper trading on Webull app. And now you can see, first of all, this is like the overview right here. So I have my positions, which is 0. I do not have added any positions right now. Open orders. Then right here, I'm seeing the net account value, open P&L, market value, buying power, days P&L. If I want to reset it, I can just click on the reset option given at the top right corner of the screen and it will allow me to reset. But I'm not going to do that for now. But if you want to do it, this is the option. If you want to check and if you want to hide your net account value, you can do that as well. You will just hide it. Then we have option trade, orders, and performance. Let's check them out. First, we have trade. So trade will show me the different stocks that I have added in my watch list. So these are the ones that I have already added. And keep in mind, if you want to, find a specific one, you will add it to the watch list, or we can actually find it from here. So you can just search for anything. Maybe you're looking for Apple. So you can just like search in the search bar and it will take you to different, stocks and you can select them. What I'm going to do is I'm going to select one from my watch list, which is Tesla. So I'll just open it up. Here is a disclaimer for you guys that this video is not a financial advice and I'm not a financial advisor. Trading in stocks and actually buying and selling stocks, paper trading involves high degree of risk or whether you afford to lose money or not. So make sure that you truly understand it and then you can get started. This is going to be a beginner's tutorial for you guys about the platform, and I'm not a financial advisor and not suggesting any of the stocks or ETFs or any of the trading options. That being said, let's continue. So I have opened up Tesla for now, and this is the look of it. Now what we can get is we are getting the chart right here, which will give me the overall chart for one day, but I can also get a monthly view, a yearly view by just selecting the time from here. We have like 5 days, 1 month, 1 year. So this is the yearly view for the stock right here, and I will be able to check the high value, the low value, the percentage in positive, negative. Green is going to be the positive and red is going to be the negative. Then we have the options right here. In options, we have open option chains, we have volume stats, we have probability analysis and others. Then we have news, where I will be able to get all the news about the stock that I have selected. Then we have analysis and company. In analysis, I will get an analyst rating based on the 44 analytics such as holding, buying, selling, strong buy, and others. Then I can just scroll down to get more information. And this is our technical analysis as well, where I will be able to see the short, medium, and long. Then we have others as well, like you can just scroll down. In company, I will get the information about the company and I will be able to check the income statement. And then we have balance sheet and more. So I'm just going to take you back to the chart. So you will see this yellow button right here, which is paper trading. Once you get all the information from here, you can see like we have order book, Then we have market by orders, where I can check the shares, the bids, the ask, the shares again. And then we have auction crossing, time and sale, order flow distribution, which is shown in a form of pie chart. We have large scales, cost distribution, and more. And then again, I'm getting some graphs, and then we have all of the information here. If I click on paper trading, it will take me to paper trade view of the stock that I have selected. So again, I'm getting my bid and my ask chart right here. The volume is also given above the price. And now we have buy and sell option. So the order type, first of all, you have to select an order type. If it's going to be a market, which is going to be buy security at market prices, limit is buy security at a fixed price or lower. So I'm going to go with limit. And then we have limit price. Now you just have to select the price for the one that you have. And it should be more than the price right now. Like it should be 1 at least. So we have like 876 right now at the time of making this video. What I can do is I can increase it to whatever value I want, to whatever amount I want. So this is going to be the limit price, and this is 876 right now. Then we have quantity. So here I will select the quantity. I can go with 1 by 4, 1 by 2, 3 by 4 total, or I can just add the one from myself. And I can add the one by myself. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go with maybe 1 by 4, which is going to be 285. If I go with 3 by 4, and then it's going to be 855. And then we have total. So I'm just going to go with total, or maybe 1 by 4. Then we have trading hours. So in trading hours, we have only regular hours or include extended hours. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go with regular hour. And then we have time in force, where we can select day or good till cancelled. What I'm going to do is I'm going to just select day. And then you will see the estimated amount is going to be round about 24,000. And then we have buying power. It's going to be 1 million. This is what I'm going for. The quantity is 285 right now that I've selected. So this is the estimate that you will be getting. Now, all I have to do is just click on paper trade and I will be able to do so. But for now, I'm not going to do that, and I'll just go back. Similarly, I can select any of these, maybe Google, and it will open it up. Again, we have all of the information. Then we have paper trading option. Click on paper trading. It will open it up for you, and you will enter the buy and the sell. Let me show you sell as well. So if you just select sell, of course the estimated amount is going to change, and a few of the things other will also change. But you just enter the information. You have order type, you have the limit price, quantities, trading hours, and time in force. So you just enter the information, click on paper trading, and you will be able to do so. So I'm just gonna like go back, and this is like our paper trading. I showed you trade. Then we have option trade again. It will again take you to the same option, because we are getting option trade and trading at the same place. Like, let me actually show you. If I open it up, then we get the this option in our trading as well. So it will just show me the option trading now. Similarly, we have orders. So if I go through orders, it will just show me the order book for the one that I've selected. So it's Tesla. I'm going to open it up, and it will show me the order book right here. Then we have performance. So what I can do is I can click on performance now, and it will show me the performance of the one that I have. So when it comes to the paper trading, we are getting a lot of different options right here, and it gives me and allows me to check the order book, allows me to check different stocks, and I can also kind of like compare them to. And then we have my positions, where I will be able to see all of the positions that I have, and order books as well. So this is the one that I just opened, and it shows me my open order book that I have right now, my open order. So this is where you will be able to see it, and this is how you do paper trading. If I want to reset it, I can reset from the option given right here at the top right corner. But I'm not going to do that. And this is how you will be using paper trading. It's really easy to use. Just go ahead and get your own WeBull app right now and start trading. This brings us to the end of the video. I hope that I was a big help to you guys. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.